Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, now I'm going to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple present tense. As usual, after the story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Please listen to me carefully. Bobby Williams doesn't go to school on Saturdays. It is 12 o'clock now. He and his father are in Central Park. There is a zoo in Central Park. Dad, I want to go to the zoo. I want to see the animals there, Bobby Williams says to his father. All right, let's go, his father replies. Okay, now the question. Does Bobby Williams go to school on Saturdays? Where is he now? Is he with his father? Where are they? Does Bobby Williams want to see the animals? Does he want to go to the zoo? What does Bobby Williams say to his father? Now the last question. What does his father reply? Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.